The third looper shape tutorial is assuming you pass the looper basic 1 and 2 tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll create another sequence on pattern 2. Each sound has 4 different patterns of sequences and 4 different patterns of recorded loops. Both loop and sequences can have different lengths. So we'll record a loop, change the length of the sequence alone, and then change the length of the loop. Then both lengths together. Let's start by going to Sound 1. Drums. And back to the looper shape, then hold the first thumb button and don't let go. The 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th combi are patterns 1 till 4. Because on the first pattern we have what we made in the first looper basic tutorial, we'll choose the second pattern, so we'll press the 10th combi button, and we want to add another rhythm. Let's build the sequence by holding the second thumb. Getting to Create Sequence. Now, add a kick, a snare, and some hi-hats. And release the second thumb. Press play by pressing the first combi. And now record a loop of extra drum sounds. Quantize. And flick the third combi once, setting new controls for actions when holding the first thumb. We'll choose Sequence to change the sequence length and pattern only. Notice that Seek was added to the first thumb's text. So changes made when holding the first thumb will only be made to the sequence part of the loop. Now, go to Actions by holding the first thumb button and change the sequence length to half a bar. As you can see, the loop length didn't change, only the sequence length. You can also press on 2 close combis to get mid-lengths. For example, the third and fourth combis. We can also change the sequence pattern only by flicking the 9th combi. You see? Let's do that again for the loop length only. Release any held thumb, flick the third combi, and flick the second combi, meaning only loop changes for actions of the first thumb. Now go to Actions by holding the first thumb button and change the loop length only. Do you see the loop length line change? Let's go back to main looper, no thumbs are held. Flick the third combi. And again flick the third combi. Now both sequences and loops will be affected. Okay, that's enough for the third loop basic tutorial. Get loop length and length combinations into your fingers.